Welcome to the training video for the DLS hosted PBX version 4.1. I'm Steve and I'll be your guide through today's video. Our topics for the 4.1 training video include interface updates, SRTP and TLS, handset changes, and system features. Chapter 1, Interface Updates. The new voicemail page has controls for pagination, sorting, and file download. Call recording searches can now be filtered by date range and phone number. Pagination controls are displayed on high volume results, and results now include sorting controls. We have two menu changes in this version. The Clients menu was renamed to Apps, and long submenu items now wrap instead of truncating. In User Preferences, device selection is hidden automatically when manual device configuration is chosen, and Monitor Device Status is displayed in its place. This option displays the SIP response time on the user status page. Admins now have access to edit end-user communications preferences. Under Status Queues, the Reset button will reset the statistics for that queue. In System Basic, there is now an option to toggle the idle agent status display for Aastra and Polycom Soundpoint phones, and another option to toggle the web apps on select Grandstream phones. Chapter 2, SRTP and TLS for encrypted audio. By enabling the SRTP TLS setting in User Preferences for an extension, you can encrypt the audio stream and call signaling from the handset to your PBX. At this time, TLS call signaling encryption is not compatible with Grandstream and Aastra phones, and therefore they are not suggested for use with SRTP. Apps SRTP allows you to download the TLS security certificates needed to manually configure devices for SRTP, and also contains links to some soft phones that support SRTP and TLS. Under System Firewall, an option has been added to manage port 5061, which is used for TLS call signaling. Chapter 3, Handset Changes. Configuration support has been added for the Polycom VVX500 and Grandstream DP715 handsets. Many older handsets are no longer eligible for the current generation of firmware from their respective vendors and have been marked as legacy in the System Devices page. New features such as SRTP and additional features in future releases will not apply to these devices. The devices being moved to legacy support in version 4.1 are listed here. Non-legacy Polycom devices have been migrated to the UC 4.0 firmware. Chapter 4, System Features. Under System Call Routing, a new pull-down on Dial Outbound rules can designate the caller ID. Status transcoding displays the output from an optional Sangoma hardware transcoding module which can be installed to offload codec translations from the central processing unit if your PBX uses codecs other than G711U. The Aastra management interface is used for click-to-dial and third-party system integration. A security and performance proxy for the AMI has been added to version 4.1. This may require some adjustments to automated systems which have been implemented with previous versions of the hosted PBX. There is now a system context called AMI which has access to agent dialing. Giving the AMI context access to an outbound context can be controlled via the basic system settings. A report of potential vulnerabilities is available under Reports Interface Audit and will also be emailed to the PBX admin email monthly. There are a few other system changes in version 4.1. First, voicemail with less than 2 seconds of talking is now automatically discarded. Second, fax emails now contain a link for electronic signatures and editing at signnow.com. Third, the fax system can now translate PDFs created in Adobe version 9 or later. Fourth, email to fax can now convert .doc files. Thank you for watching the DLS hosted PBX 4.1 upgrade training video. We hope that this video was useful for you, and thank you for your continued patronage.